everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really easy butter slime, and I really hope that you enjoy this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and then also subscribe. So for the first two things you're going to need is a spatula and obviously a bowl. Then you just want to pour in your white PVA glue into your bowl. Then you need to activate your slime. I'm using 1 teaspoon of borax to 1 cup of warm water. Then you need to make sure that your borax is completely dissolved into the water and then gradually add this into your slime. Stir it for a few minutes and it will hopefully pull together a lot. And as you can see here, it looks like it's completely formed, but it is not. So make sure just stir it. My slime was still very sticky after mixing it for about 2 to 3 minutes, so that's why I went in with a bit more of activator. But if yours is completely ready, then don't add any more activator, because then you might overactivate your slime and it will become very hard and rubbery. Then you just want to fold in your activator into your slime until it's all completely combined and all the borax is in there. And also notice how it'll become very stringy as well on your hands. It will feel quite sticky, but make sure that you don't add any more activator, because then you might overactivate your slime again. And just, make sure that everything is okay. And then after 5 minutes to 10 minutes of kneading, this is what your slime should look like. It should be very smooth, creamy, soft, squishy, stretchy, glossy, very holdable as well, thick, all of the good slime traits. And for our main ingredient to make a butter slime, we're going to be using Daiso soft clay. I decided to use a blue clay, but you can use any that you want. So now I just want to mention first and foremost that this clay arrived completely dry. I don't know if they packaged it and they left it a bit open, or if it was me. I don't think it was me, just because I haven't opened this packet before. So I think it was just their fault, but that's absolutely fine, because in the end I did get to mix it in. But at the end you'll see that the slime is still very clumpy and not very fun. So if your clay is not dry, then it will be perfect. And just after mixing for a few, maybe 30 seconds, 1 minute, you'll notice that it is getting a bit tougher. It's not as stretchy, which is absolutely normal. That's okay. Just make sure that you add some lotion or glycerin, or even some more glue if you don't have any of those things handy. But yeah, don't hesitate to add some more ingredients, because the lotion and the glycerin will not change the texture, except for make it a better slime and a bit less tough. After maybe kneading it for a few minutes, this is what your slime should look like. It should be very soft and creamy and stretchy and very buttery as well. Also, it should be very airy, because lots of air gets trapped in the kneading process, and that is great. My slime is still a bit lumpy just because of the dried up clay, but if it was not dry, if it was just normal and a bit softer, it would not be lumpy, and yours should not be lumpy. If it is still quite lumpy, obviously just knead it a bit more, or try to take out the clumps, depending on how big they are and how many clumps there are. But this is what the slime should look like. It should be very fluffy as well. And I'll just give you guys some ASMR. And I really hope that you enjoy this video. If you did, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up and then also subscribe, and make sure that you turn on that post notification so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And leave some suggestions, some video suggestions in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!